I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Prius hybrid car. First, locate the power button and press it to start the vehicle. Wait for the ready indicator light to illuminate on the dashboard, signifying the car is ready to drive. Next, we'll cover the unique electronic gear selector, which operates differently from traditional shifters. Finally, we'll discuss how to effectively use the regenerative braking system to maximize efficiency. Let's get started. To begin driving, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal before pressing the power button. Once the ready light is on, gently move the electronic gear selector to the D position for forward motion. For reverse, select R. The B mode, or engine braking, is useful for long descents, helping to recharge the battery and reduce brake wear. Remember to always keep your foot on the brake when shifting. Driving a Prius efficiently involves smooth acceleration rather than rapid bursts, which helps conserve fuel. Try to anticipate traffic and avoid sudden stops, allowing the regenerative braking to work effectively. Coasting, whenever possible, by gently lifting your foot off the accelerator, maintains momentum without using the engine. Pay attention to the energy flow display on your dashboard. It provides real-time feedback to help you drive more economically. When you're ready to park, shift the gear selector to P and engage the parking brake for safety. The Prius also features an EV mode, allowing for short distances of purely electric driving at low speeds, ideal for parking lots. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Mastering these techniques will help you get the most out of your hybrid vehicle, ensuring a smooth and efficient driving experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.